So I wanted to show you this. This is the chiller by Cab in Air here. This is a cab system that goes for your zero-turn mower to be able to protect you from the elements a little bit, be able to keep you out of the rain. If it's going to be raining when you're mowing, you'll be able to be protected. And of course, it's going to be able to protect you from the heat and humidity. Just neat, keep you out of the sun. The chiller, Cab in Air, and it's meant, they're showing a commercial one there, and they've got a Toro one over there. We're not going to go over there and bother the guys, but I wanted to just show you a little bit more. You can of course put some fans and different things in there to keep you nice and cool. And then the magic of it back here is the air conditioner that's in the very, very back of the unit. Kind of a neat idea here. That's the chiller. You can go to Cab in Air, cabnair.com. Well, you can see it in the video, but they have different setups for different zero turns, but that'll keep you cooler, protected in the summer with full access. He's got her open right there. Kind of a neat thing we found here at the show.
For more tips and how-to videos, go to weekendhandyman.com.